Hi everyone, this is Richardson. Today I will show you how to integrate MoMoProxy Postman. Downloads Postman can download here. Click this, download it. When it is downloaded, we can get the proxy information from the MoMoProxy. Okay, click the proxy setup and rotating the edition proxy and the use proxy. Then choose a location, such as United States, California, city, Vasco. Yeah, session type, we choose staking. Then click generate. Here we got proxy information as follow and copy it. But this time I just copy one and then open it. Okay, just click settings in the Postman client. Then find a proxy. Then use custom proxy configuration. Enable it. Choose SOCKS 5 or HTTP as the proxy server. Then type proxy.momoproxy.com as the server IP address and 81000 as the port. Then type the username and password. Here, just copy the username and the password. Here, we have entered all the proxy informations here. Just click close the windows. Then we have got all the proxy information. We can check it here. And we find that it is all is in right settings. That's all. It's very simple. Thanks for watching and subscribing.